shouldn't even be this close. That's really
I'll make a spoon.
I know. Daddy. That's cool. Look at that, huh? So that thing will melt together in no time, huh? So here the anvil.
Yeah, see
and
the
the little
difference in
forge.
color?
Oh yeah. So first we're making a dagger.
Like, it's already wrapped.
I know. Does that work well? I mean, I guess
Where did you see a kitty cat?
now that's melting.
Yeah.
So what the heck did you do different there? Nothing, huh?
Nothing. I kept adding some different colors to it. Pretty flat.
Yeah, because you can see the flame is centered towards the middle now. So.
Yeah, you see how hot it is in there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, huh? Look at
See, that's what I was saying about using smaller pieces of the charcoal.
It gets hotter, yeah.
So what that is, maybe more surface area to burn?
So let's do a little bit of blacksmithing here, just a little bit. We're experimenting. Got the anvil set up here. Got this is nice and hot. Look at that. Isn't that something?
Get it close on.
That's beautiful. Fire of the gods. Let's hammer it a little bit. Is my sword ready? There you go. There's my sword. Like it?
What I'm making here is a metal toothpick.
And that's where they get it to mold a little bit. Nice. Oh, good idea. Nice.
It starts to cool down. Go right back in that fire.
Nice.
Alright, so what we got here is actually a blade for lawnmower. We want to see how hot we can get that and see if we can start molding it. See, it's pretty red.
Kind of like a sword.
So, give it a try.
Oh, sweetie, yeah.
Nice big hammer for this.
Nice. That is nice. That's nice.
Yeah. So, if you got a nice forge here, you can see, you can take a look at it, right? It's also good not only for molding metal and whatnot, but if you get hungry, you can always heat up your hot dog, your food, whatever it is, you know? Burger. You know, I just got done. Oh crap. No, it's still edible, you know. If you're You know, if you're a blacksmith.
Grab your hammer.
All right. So now you can make cute little designs with it. Getting this all. When you're finally done getting this all worked out and everything. It makes a great snack.
All right.
Oh, that's good.